Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with the hashtag 200 Things 2021. Now, what I'm going to do for this will be a greeting card. Okay, so I am going to get a piece of cardstock. Ah, you can make it in with anything that you want to. Okay, a greeting card is a greeting card is a greeting card. Whichever way you want to make it is made from the heart. Okay, as long as it's made from the heart, you should be all right. I'm looking for a piece of cardstock here. Okay, where is my little scrap box? Right here. Nope, that's my painting papers. Here's my scraps. Now, you can make it with any color cardstock that you want. And I'm going to do, I can't find, oh, where, there we go. We have that. Now, I want to find something really nice to put on the front. But first I'm going to show y'all. I just take the cardstock, cut it at 8.5 by 11, cut it in half, cut it to size I want, take and fold it in half, and usually my bone folder I have around, but today I have one of these. So you can use the end of your scissors to do this. You can use a magnifying glass. You can use a marker, anything to what they call it, burnish it. So now what I want to do is take something and make, let's do a Valentine's Day card. Okay, let's see here. I want to use this ribbon. Let me see if I can find this stamp. This ephemera. Hmm. I just had my hands on a whole bunch of uh, Valentine's Day stuff and stickers and everything, and now I can't find them. Hey, like them bananas. I don't know where they went to, y'all. So we're gonna go with what we have on the table. Okay. So we're gonna go with the stamp, maybe the ribbon, and then this ephemera here. So what I want to do is I'm going to take this ink and let me get a stamping block. I need two different sizes. And this came from my friend in the craft community, Jen Wren, of What Jen Wren Scraps here on YouTube. And what I'm going to do, I want first I want to take all these. I want this word love here. And then maybe the jar. And then, let's see, either I want the I love you. Let me see which ones I want. I have to stick all these back on here so I can flip it over and see which ones I want. This goes, where does this go? Here. I'm going to show y'all all kinds of stuff. Okay. This goes there. And last but not least, we got the diamond. And where's that word that goes here? Okay. I'm going to put that like that. So, for sure, I want this one. I want the jar here with the flowers. That's what I want for now. So, we're going to get this centered on the block. Let's get this one out of the way for now. I put it on the wrong side for number one. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to ink up this. And I'm using vintage, no, not vintage photo. Yeah, vintage photo, Ranger ink, Tim Holtz ink, Distress ink. Okay. I'm going to put love right in the center. Let me move this out of my way. Like so. And then we're going to take a paper towel and clean this off. Put it back on our thing over here. And then we're going to take the vase with the flowers. Oh, it don't fit on that one. And we're going to do the same thing. Ink it. Oops. Take that out of there. Clean this part off over here. I'm going to put that right underneath the word love. And press that down like so. Okay. And then clean off your thing. Put it back together. Shut this. I'm going to put this back like so until I can find something else. I have a way to store these, so I'm going to show y'all that in another video. And put that back in its package. Put that package to the side. So now we got those two. We can move the blocks out of the way. Now, I don't know if I want this ribbon or if I want a different ribbon. So, and I don't fill in my sentiments until later. I usually let whoever I put like another piece of cardstock inside that's removable and let it go at that. Now, I'm going to do a little decorative edge with this punch here. Okay? I'm going to put it like that and just hold my card like that. Well, I did both pieces. Whoops daisy. Now we're going to do this side. Like so. Like that. Uh-oh. This one didn't come out the way I wanted it, but that's alright. We got that. And that's the card. Now, on the inside, right here, we can put the word love with a butterfly and a ticket. Put that right here. I'm going to close this back up. Get this out of the way. We're going to put this cluster right there. So we're going to take our glue and we're going to put our cluster on. Now this cluster is made with a butterfly from Dollar Tree, ticket from Dollar Tree, and a whole bunch of other items. I mean, I have trim, I think wallpaper, and various other things in there. So now this card is ready to give to someone that you want to give it to. Actually, I want to take this out from in here and put it outside. So let's put glue here. And without gluing it together, I'm going to put it right here next to the vase. You can trim some of this off. And there we go. Our card is made. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe by hitting that red button down below and subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be organized, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.